couple of the main benefits of installing new home siding is you can update your look. Some of the products that James Hardie has, you're able to add shingles or vertical siding, and you can really change up the style of your home, and along with addressing any needs that you have from the siding being worn or faded or rotting, you can also update the overall look of your home. Another benefit of new home siding would be to take care of any problems that you currently have. If you have woodpecker holes, if you have paint, sometimes paint is just kind of chasing your tail. It's a band-aid. If the paint's failing on your siding, you can mitigate that for a little bit, but eventually you're going to have to repaint. And so by taking that siding off, putting on new James Hardie siding, you've now solved the paint problem.